So it's me again, but I'm gonna move into the light because you know what I mean. It's like dark over there. All my videos at night, it's dark over there. So I'm gonna pull out my little thing under my bed. Get my video here. Anyway, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a vending machine for your squishies or your slime or whatever you guys would like. But I'm gonna be using it for my squishies, I think. I have 3 squishies. Well, no, 4. I'm going to be using it for my squishies. So, yeah. What you'll be needing, I only got the box so far, but you can use any kind of cardboard box you want. You can use a gigantic one. You can use just a shoe box, the Jordans, or whatever. I don't really wear Jordans. These are my sisters. I think these are Jordans, yeah. Yep, these are Jordans. But yeah, so I'm just going to use this cardboard box. And before I do anything, I will be right back, actually. I got to find my duct tape. So I'll be back with my other stuff I will be needing, ingredients. So yeah, I'll be back and see you guys. Alright guys, so I'm back with the other stuff. I got 2 big baggies. I got some scotch tape. You can use duct tape, but I just used scotch tape because I cannot use my other one. And then I'm also going to be using my crayons and stuff. And that big thing right there is a sharpener, but here's my Sharpie. And yeah, so I have this also. So those are all my ingredients. So let's get started with the video. So first thing I'm going to start by doing, guys, is start by cutting a hole right in the middle. I had to get my scissors, so I'll be right back. Guys, unfortunately, I left my scissors in school, but these ones I just have in my house, so I guess I'll just use these. But yeah, let's get started. So right now I'm just going to start by, and I know it's like opening, I know, but I'm just going to start by cutting a hole at the top. I'll be back when that's done. So guys, I actually just looked at my phone like maybe 10 minutes ago, and I've only gotten this. It's really easy to do it with a pencil because you like to just stab till you get inside the hole thing. Scissors are impossible, so children, do not try this at home. I'm 9, so if you are under 7 years old, I suggest you get a parent to help you because that would really hurt. But yeah, I'll be right back. So guys, I finally finished. This is my hole. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to cut this part off now. See if the scissors will go through the cardboard. Oh, well. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this part. There. There I have it. You guys can keep that on, but I'm not gonna, just because, no. And also, I am gonna tape the sides, I think. I'm not really sure yet. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna tape the sides. Yeah, I'm gonna tape the sides, because that'd just be stupid if I didn't. So yeah, I'm gonna tape the sides. But first, I want to open so that I can get my baggie. And I can put it right here as like a window. I'm like gonna tape it there. Yeah. So what you're going to do is just take your bag. I just can't really see. I wish I had someone holding the camera for me, but that's okay. And take your baggie. And you're going to tape it all around. So I'll show you I'll show you that when it's done. So guys, this is how it is. So okay, if you guys can see, I just taped all that to the back. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and tape the sides. I'm really hoping I don't run out of tape because this is not a brand new tape thing. So, I'm just going to hope that it does not. Okay, so I'm not going to do full. I'll do that when I'm done with the video. I'm so sorry I keep on pausing the videos, guys. I think it's done so much faster that way because I'm not confused talking. Sorry, guys. I'm back. Yeah, so guys, I actually just taped the sides up here. You guys can also decorate this box if you want. I'm not really gonna. I like Jordan's sign. There. That part I had a little bit of trouble with because of how high this part was. But it fit. So now what I'm gonna do actually is, oh, should I put the squishies in? That's okay. I'll make a door for you. Yeah. Duh. Okay. Okay. So they're back. Now I'm just gonna put this stuff in. So guys, what I just did is I just took my tape off of the front one and the back. Just taking the tape off now because I'm just gonna add my squishies into it. I totally forgot about those. Just be quiet because my mom is sleeping. She's trying to anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get them. I'm so sorry that you guys had to see how defected my squishies are. I'm gonna squish them before I just put them in. There's that one. Right here. There's that one. Cat does not want to stand up. There's this one. This one actually has a little rip in it somewhere. Kind of big. I think one of my friends did that or something. And all my squishies are super duper slow rising. This one's kind of slow rising. This one's defected. And this one. Scented bubblegum. This one's scented bread. And so is this one. This one doesn't really smell like anything. This one smells like bubblegum, and this one's ears are coming off. Now I'm just going to lay them all in my bucket. I don't think I can add this one, guys. It's way too big. I'm just going to add this. This. Throw them in there. I guess I could add this. I want to make the door for it. I'm not going to add this one. And I don't want to get to more. I don't want it to get more defected, so I'm not going to add this one. It smells so good. Yeah. So now I'm going to put my tape back on, guys. So it's in fast mode. So actually, guys, when I was actually making this, it was making a terrible noise. My mom went, "Is everything okay up there?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine. Just making an invention." She was like, "Really, girl? Again?" I was like, "Yeah." But she did not get mad. She actually loves squishies, but she doesn't like the mess that slime makes. She loves squishies. Oh, they're so awesome. Okay. And there's one reason why I made my box a window, so I can see my squishies. Just so I can see them like coming out and stuff. But yeah, this is just a simple way of making it. And then what I'm gonna do is add a little door to it. Put out the door, shoot. Yeah, so I'll be right back. So guys, this is the part where it actually starts to get like a little bit funner. Well, funner's not a word, but more fun. I'll just put this part off, it's annoying me. Yeah, I just made the back door. Squishies can like come out. But this is where you should probably keep this thing. I should tell you that in the first place probably. But I was gonna like add this on here. Fit. You know, it's not gonna fit, so I'm just gonna add another baggie. But like not tape the whole thing. If you guys know what I mean. So I'll be right back and show you. So, funny story, guys. I have like something on the table. It's like, let me push it in a little bit more. There. What happened was I was trying to make my door. I didn't have any more baggies. I had to use tape. And I tried it and it came out terrible. So now what I'm going to do actually is make this into a little like wood. I'm so stupid. I could just do it now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it like this. Like so it's sticky on both sides. Put it on this piece of cardboard, right? Oh shoot. I'm not going to do that because I can't do that. Oh, I'm so stupid. I hate myself. Oh, actually don't say that to yourself, guys. I do not hate myself. I love myself so much. Alright, this will actually be kind of cool actually. Because I do this. I'm actually going to do this. Pick it up. Bend this part a little bit. Ew, I just ripped my baggy part. Oh well. Anyway. Oh, okay. So sorry this video is so long. I have a lot to do here. Vending machines are not that easy. Not as easy as they look. Anyway, you're just gonna pick that part up. There. Oh, yeah, it's okay. And I did not say bad word, guys. I said shoot. But yeah. I'm not using all my tape because, you know, it's not mine. I did not buy it. So, that'd just be using all my mom's stuff. But I'm going to go ahead and make my coin. So, guys, this is how it is. I added 1 cent. You can't really see that well because of how black it is. But this is how it would work. I'm going to go, all you need is a regular quarter, penny, anything. I'm just going to get something. So, guys, I'm pretty sure this is a nickel or a dime. Anyway, I just got this. A little bit dirty right there, but that's okay. So then I would just drop it in. And I'd actually look in here. And this fell out. I'll just play with my squishies. I'm going to do one more. Got my coin thing back. The only one I can find right now, because my mom usually has them all. Because, you know, she has a bank and all that grown-up stuff. And I don't have one yet. But first one, I got this one. And then I'm just going to drop another one in. And it actually like pushes the squishies out. This cat one came out. Oh, come on, kitty. There. Yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea of it. So I hope you guys like this video, and please subscribe to this channel and like this video, and comment down below if you made this at home and it worked for you guys. Yeah. So see you guys tomorrow.